Dear friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will tell you guys about difference between bridge versus repeater. Bridge connects to network in a well-organized manner, while repeater expands the limit of the signals in the network. Bridges are relatively expensive and used to extend a LAN. Repeater is also used to extend a LAN, but comparably economical than the bridge. Bridge functions at data link layer, while repeater operates at the physical layer of the OSI Open Systems Interconnection model. Bridge expands the limit of network segments, while repeater can extend cable length in network. Dear friends, please watch my video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and comment on my video. Bridge versus repeater. Bridge operates at the second layer. Example, data link layer of the OSI model. It connects the two networks together that uses the same protocol. Bridges are relatively easy to configure and focuses on MAC addresses. Repeater is an electronic device. It is a hardware device used to extend a local area network. Repeater operates only on the physical layer. Example, first layer of the OSI model. It regenerates the weak signal and increases the range of the network. Functionality of the network remains unchanged by the use of repeater. Switch can be used as a repeater, but hub cannot be used as a repeater. Definition of bridge. Bridge is a networking device used to connect the network segments of a large network. Bridge operates at two-level example, physical layer and data link layer. Being a physical layer device, it regenerates the signal it receives. Here, it acts as a repeater. The bridge, being a data link layer device, identifies the source and destination address of the frame it receives. It relays the frames between two separated LANs. On the other hand, the bridge also has the logic of filtering the traffic, separating the traffic of each network segment. Bridges filtering capability. Bridges filtering capability can be explained with an example. You can observe the figure above. A bridge has joined two network segments. Now when station A sends a packet to station F, the packet arrives at the bridge. The bridge identifies that the intended recipient F is in the lower segment of the network. So, the bridge allows the packet to cross into the lower segment, where the packet is received by the station F. When the station A sends a packet to station C, the packet arrives at the bridge. As the station A and C are in the same segment, the bridge blocks the packet from crossing into the lower segment and relays the frame to station C. Types of bridges. We will discuss types of bridges. Simple bridge is the most primitive bridge which links to network segments. It has a single table which contains the address of each station included in both the segment. Multiport bridge. It links more than two network segments. It has the number of tables equal to the number of network segments it connects. Each table contains the addresses of all the station reachable from the corresponding port. Transparent bridge is a bridge whose existence is not known to the stations. If a transparent bridge is added or removed from the system, the stations are not required to be reconfigured again. What is repeater? Repeaters are network devices operating at physical layer of the OSI model that amplify or regenerate an incoming signal before retransmitting it. They are incorporated in networks to expand its coverage area. Repeaters are also known as signal boosters. A repeater is a network device that retransmits a received signal with more power and to an extended geographical or topological network boundary than what would be capable with the original signal. A repeater is implemented in computer networks to expand the coverage area of the network, repropagate a weak or broken signal, and or service remote nodes. Repeaters amplify the received input signal to a higher frequency domain so that it is reusable, scalable, and available. Repeaters were introduced in wired data communication networks due to the limitation of a signal in propagating over a longer distance and now are a common installation in wireless networks for expanding cell size. Why are repeaters needed? When an electrical signal is transmitted via a channel, it gets attenuated depending upon the nature of the channel or the technology. This poses a limitation upon the length of the LAN or coverage area of cellular networks. This problem is alleviated by installing repeaters at certain intervals. Repeaters amplifies the attenuated signal and then retransmits it. Digital repeaters can even reconstruct signals distorted by transmission loss. So, repeaters are popularly incorporated to connect between two LAN, thus forming a large single LAN. How does repeater work? The main aim for using repeater in the Ethernet is that repeater is capable to carry signal and broadcast it to other Ethernet capable without damaging any signals. The repeater is intelligent device that helps to control the flow of signals. If to determine any defect in the signals, then repeater is able to detect it and transport it to the linked port. Types of repeaters. According to the types of signals that they regenerate, repeaters can be classified into two categories. Analog repeaters. They can only amplify the analog signal. Digital repeaters. They can reconstruct a distorted signal. According to the types of networks that they connect, repeaters can be categorized into two types. Wired repeaters. They are used in wired LAN. Wireless repeaters. They are used in wireless LAN and cellular networks. According to the domain of LAN, they connect. Repeaters can be divided into two categories. Local repeaters. They connect LAN segments separated by small distance. Remote repeaters. They connect LAN that are far from each other. Difference between bridge and repeater. Number 1. Bridges and repeaters belong to the class of computer networking devices. Number 2. In the OSI, Open Systems Interconnection model, the repeater operates at the physical layer and the bridge at the data link layer. Number 3. Repeaters are used to extend wire length or to regenerate attenuated signals. On the other hand, bridges are used for logical segmentation of the network LAN. Number 4. Frames in a bridge are forwarded based on the MAC address. Inversely, a repeater is unable to understand any frames, packets, or bits. Number 5. Bridges have a filtering capability, which is one of the main differences between a bridge and a repeater. Conclusion. Bridge is a networking device operating at the data link layer, layer 2 of the OSI model, with filtering or forwarding or segmentation capabilities to work in a collision domain and a broadcast domain. Repeater is an electronic device which just regenerates the attenuated signals to its original waveform. It is a hardware device used to extend a local area network. Repeaters operate on layer 1 of OSI, Open Systems Interconnection model. It regenerates the weak signal and increases the range of the network. Functionality of the network remains unchanged by the use of repeater. Dear friends, thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and don't forget to comment on my video. I will keep making these types of useful videos in future. So stay connected and make sure to subscribe. My channel is growing continuously due to your support. Thank you.